Hello everyone. In today's lecture, we will see some more practice questions based on applications of derivative. So let's start discussing practice questions 19 to 24. The images used in our slide deck are for educational purposes only. We respect the intellectual property rights of the original creators and owners of these images. If you are the owner of any of the images used in this deck and have any concerns or issues, please contact us at sathi@iitkey.ac.in and we shall remove the images. Okay, let's start with question number 19, which says line joining points 0, 3 and 5 minus 2 is tangent to the curve y is equal to ax upon 1 plus x. Then, which option is correct? See, the hint of this question is we have given 2 points, right? So, if we have given 2 points, we can easily find the equation of line passing through these 2 points, right? And the line we will find is tangent to this curve, right? Clear? So, we know the line joining these 2 points, so we know the slope also, right? And we can calculate dy by dx from this curve. Clear? By using differentiation of by quotient rule, right? And we can equate dy by dx with the slope of this equation, slope of the line obtained by these two points, right? In this way, we can calculate the value of a, right? So you have 10 seconds to solve this question. After 10 seconds, we will discuss the solution. Okay, let's move to the solution part C. Equation of line joining point 0, 3 and 5 minus 2 is y is equal to 3 minus x, right? Clear? If this line is tangent to y is equal to ax upon x plus 1, then if this line is tangent to this, clear, then this equation should have equal roots, right? This equation should have equal roots because this line is cutting this curve. This line is cutting, suppose this is curve. So this line is cutting this curve at one point, right? So there will be one single root. Clear? They should have single root. Clear? So this will be a quadratic equation having equal roots. So discriminant should be equal to 0. Clear? So when we find discriminant by using this quadratic equation, we will get a minus 2 square plus 12 should be equal to 0. Clear? But by using this equation, this value cannot be equal to 0 at any value of a. Right? So a belongs to 5. Clear? So this was the easiest method to do this question. We can also apply that method, that is to get the equation of line from this, to get to get slope of this curve using dy by dx and equate dy by dx with the slope obtained by using this curve, by using this point, right? So by that method also we will get the value of a, right? And we can apply this method also, where we will use quadratic equation and discriminant of which will be equal to 0. Since it is the line is tangent to the curve, that means the line is cutting the curve at single point, that is there should be equal roots, that is one root and repeated roots. Okay, so a belongs to 5 is the right answer. Clear? Option B is the right choice, a equal to 5. Okay, so let's move to the next question, question number 20, which says the equation of tangent to the curve y is equal to x plus 4 by x square that is parallel to x-axis is, right? So we have to actually find the equation of tangent that is parallel to x-axis, right? So what is the hint of this question is, see, what is slope of line which is parallel to x-axis? So the slope of line dy by dx should be equal to 0. Clear? So we have y in terms of x, right? So we can find dy by dx in terms of x. Clear? And we can put dy by dx equal to 0 and we will easily get the equation of tangent, right? So you have again 10 seconds to solve this question. After 10 seconds, we will discuss the solution. Okay, let's move to the solution part. See, we have equation of curve is y is equal to x plus 4 by x square. On differentiating with respect to x both sides, we will get dy by dx is equal to 1 minus 8 by x cube, right? Since the tangent is parallel to x-axis, therefore, dy by dx is equal to 0. Clear? Dy by dx equal to 0. Therefore, we will get x cube is equal to 8. Clear? So that means x is equal to 2. So if x equal to 2, we can put x equal to 2 in this curve. We will get y is equal to 3. Clear? Y equal to 3. Option D is right choice. Y equal to 3. Got it? Option D is right choice. Alright. Let's move to the next question. Question number 21, which says the slope of tangent to the curve x is equal to 3t square plus 1, y is equal to t cube minus 1 at x equal to 1 is. So we have to find slope of the tangent to this curve, right? So the hint of this question is, see, x is given in terms of t, y is given in terms of t, right? We can easily find dx by dt and we can easily find dy by dt, right? Got it? And what will be the slope of tangent? Slope of tangent will be dy by dx, right? So we can calculate dy by dx by using dy by dt upon dx by dt, right? Clear? So we can put x equal to 1 to get the slope of tangent to the curve, this, right? So you have 10 seconds to solve this question. After 10 seconds, we will discuss the solution, okay? Okay, let's move to the solution part C. We have given the curve x is equal to 3t square plus 1, y is equal to t cube minus 1, right? So for x equal to 1, 3t square plus 1 is equal to 1, right? That means t is equal to 0. Let's find dx by dt. dx by dt is equal to 60 and dy by dt is 3t square. Now we can calculate dy by dx by using dy by dt upon dx by dt. So let's put dy by dt and dx by dt. 3t square upon 60, which is equal to t by 2. Now we have to find the dy by dx at t equal to 0. Clear? Actually, we have to find dy by dx at x equal to 0, but at x equal to 0, t equal to 0. We have to find dy by dx at x equal to 1, but at x equal to 1, t is coming out to be 0. Clear? So we can find dy by dx at t equal to 0. Since dy by dx is basically t by 2, therefore dy by dx at t equal to 0 can be written as 0 upon 2, which is equal to 0, right? Clear? So option A is right choice. A is right choice. The slope of tangent to this curve will be 0. Okay. So let's move to the next question. Question number 22, which says coordinates of a point on the curve y is equal to x log x at which the normal is parallel to the line 2x minus 2y is equal to 3r. So the hint of this question is, see, the coordinates of a point on the curve y is equal to x log x at which normal is parallel to this line. Clear? So we can find normal to this curve by using, see, we can first calculate dy by dx, which will be the tangent of this curve. So what will be slope of normal to this curve, which will be minus of dx by dy. We will reciprocal dy by dx and apply negative sign. So that will be the slope of normal. And slope of normal will be equal to slope of this line. What is slope of this line? This slope of this line is 1. So we will find the slope of normal, which is minus dx by dy. And after that, we will equate the slope of normal with 1. Right? So we will get the values of coordinates x and y. Right? So you have 10 seconds to solve this question. After 10 seconds, we will discuss the solution. Okay, let's move to the solution part C. We have given curve is y is equal to x log x. So on differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to 1 plus log x. Right? Therefore, slope of the normal will be equal to minus of 1 by dy by dx, right? And dy by dx is coming out to be 1 plus log x, right? So minus of 1 upon dy by dx is minus of 1 upon 1 plus log x, right? Therefore, the slope of the given line is 2x minus 2y. The slope of given line 2x minus 2y is equal to 3 is 1. right? Since these lines are parallel, therefore minus of 1 upon 1 plus log x is equal to 1. This implies log x is equal to minus 2. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2, right? If x is minus 2, we can put the values of x here to get the value of y. So if x is e to the power minus 2, therefore y is equal to minus 2 e to the power minus 2. Clear? Therefore, coordinates of the point are e to the power minus 2 and minus e to the power minus 2. Got it? So I think option D is right choice. Okay, D is right choice. E to the power minus 2 minus 2 e to the power minus 2. Right? Okay, let's move to the next question, which is question number 23. The tangent drawn at the point 0, 1 on the curve y is equal to e to the power 2x meets x-axis at the point. So the hint of this question is, see, we are given a curve y is equal to e to the power 2x, right? So we can find the slope of tangent of this equation of this curve drawn at 0, 1 by using c. We can find dy by dx at 0, 1, right? So we can get the slope of tangent, and we can find the equation of tangent by using uh, this method, that is y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx x minus x1. Clear? Now the equation of that curve meets x-axis at which point? So we will put y equal to 0 in the equation of tangent to get the value of x. Clear? X coordinate, right? So you have 10 seconds to solve this question. After 10 seconds we will discuss the solution. Okay, let's move to the solution part C. Given curve is y is equal to e to the power 2x, and differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to 2 e to the power 2x. Therefore, dy by dx at 0, 1 is equal to 2 e to the power 0, which is equal to 2. Therefore, the equation of tangent at 0, 1 with slope 2 is y minus 1 is equal to 2 into x minus 0. Right? Therefore, y is equal to 2x plus 1 is tangent. Now, this tangent meets x-axis, right? Since this tangent meets x-axis, therefore, y will be equal to 0. Clear? Y will be equal to 0. Therefore, 0 is equal to 2x plus 1. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Therefore, coordinates of the point on x-axis should be minus 1 by 2 and 0. Clear? Got it? So, that's how answer should be B. Minus 1 by 2 and 0. Right. So let's move to the next question. Question number 24, which says, if the normal to the curve y square is equal to 5x minus 1 at the point 1 minus 2 is of the form ax minus 5y plus b is equal to 0, then a and b are. What will be a and b? So the hint of this question is, see, first we will find the normal to this curve at point 1 minus 2. First we will calculate dy by dx by differentiating both sides. After that we will find uh, minus 1 by dy by dx. Clear? By using the value of dy by dx. Now we can find the value of normal at 1 minus 2 by using y minus y2 is equal to minus 1 by dy by dx into x minus x2. Now we will get the equation of normal. After that we can compare the equation of normal from this equation to get the values of a and b, right? So you have 10 seconds to solve this question. After 10 seconds we will discuss the solution. Okay, let's move to the solution part C. We have equation y square is equal to 5x minus 1. So at 1 minus 2 dy by dx will be, see, dy by dx will be 2y dy is equal to 5, right? So dy by dx will be 5 upon 2y, which at 1 minus 2 is minus 5 by 4. Therefore, equation of normal at point 1 minus 2 is, right? Therefore, equation of normal at point 1 minus 2 is y minus 2 is equal to minus 5 by 4 x minus 1, right? As the normal is of the form ax minus 5y plus b equal to 0. So when we will compare this this equation and this equation, you will get a is equal to 4 and b is equal to minus 14. Clear? Okay. First, you have to simplify this equation, right? After that, you can compare this equation and this equation to get the value of a and b. So a will be equal to 4 and b is equal to minus 14. Clear? So in this way, we have discussed many questions in this lecture on the topic applications of derivative. Hope you understood the topic and concepts of these questions, and hope you like the lecture. Okay. Thank you so much.